That's
Remember
cool.
that restaurant in Joplin?
Yeah, can you get a picture of her?
Uh-huh. We used to eat at Tom and they had that big boy there.
Yeah.
Remember that?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Let's see.
That's pretty cool. Look at that dog. You gotta get pictures, Emily. This is a photo shoot.
Yes. Look here, here's a warrior, Tom.
Oh, is that a cigar? Indian?
Indian warrior.
Closed till spring, unless open after church on Sunday. They might be open. Take some pictures, Emily.
Oh, this is cute, isn't it?
Oh, the car?
Uh-huh.
Betty Boop. Do you know Betty Boop, Carly? Carly, would you like this in your room? Isn't it kind of cool though? Let's see if we can go inside. Okay.
Yes.
I think I'm good.
Let's come by again and then go inside.
Yeah, we'll come again in the summer.
Okay, you got